So if you're a Filipino traveling solo and you're dealing with racism, which is a very, very serious issue, just stay still and stay, calm. And as much as possible, do not argue with those people because you'll never win, I think. And you cannot control and change people anymore. So if that's how they, see things and see places and people, it's their loss, not yours. So kalma lang, 'di ba mga kabayan? And it's so sad that the Philippines is being belittled by any other Western countries for sure, like rich countries, like you name it. So I just hope and pray that sana naman may pagmalaki din natin yung Pilipinas at hindi na tayo yung kawawang-kawawang tingnan, yung always na generalize na or may stereotype na tayo ay ganito, poor, and ganito lamang yung maaabot sa buhay, workers, slaves, name it. And I know that there are also people out there who are so open-minded and who are educated, who don't really, really do things like that, who are not so mean to us, yung hindi tayo titingnan na mababang uri ng tao. So yun lang. So hindi naman sa magpapanggap ka kung nagta-travel ka na ganito ka, mayaman ka, ano. You just have to see it in a big picture na hindi lang ikaw ang binabangon mo sa ganong itsura, but buong Pilipinas, yung ibang Pilipino din. Kasi yung mga OFWs natin, kasali na ako, mababa talaga yung tingin nila sa mga Pilipino. Hindi man lahat, pero kadalasan mababa talaga. So, alam na alam yan ng mga OFWs kasi sila yung nakaka-experience, and also yung mga travelers na mga Filipinos, kahit yung mga artista natin, kahit yung mga mayayaman, na-experience din nila yon, yung mga racist na people na mean sa kanila kasi galing sila ng Pilipinas at mababa talaga yung tingin sa mga Pilipino. So, as much as possible, do good in everything you do, and always be proud of who you are and what you are and where you come from, being a Filipino. So yun lang.